Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you are well. So we're going to go to Minecraft Education download, and you can see I've just got the download in here, and it'll take you to this page. If you just do a quick search, it'll take you to here. If you're on Windows or Mac, you choose which part you want. This is mostly for Mac users. For Windows users, it's pretty straightforward. You can download it and install it straight away. You will need the administrator's password though, and what that means is if you've got your parents as the family protection password and family user, they will need to do the password for you and log it in. So when you download it, for Mac you'll get this file called a DMG, and it'll have the latest version here. This is 1.26. And so when you download it, it'll go into your downloads folder. Once you download it, as it downloads, it's quite a big file. It's sort of 900 megabytes, so it'll take a while, especially if the internet's a little bit slow. And then you can just you'll see it in your downloads in your browser here. They pretty much all have this little icon here. And then when you see it, you'll have a folder that it'll take you to, and this is where it'll be inside my folder. So this is my folder for downloads, and so I'll go and double click this open, and for Mac users you'll get this window like this. For Microsoft you will get something similar, but it'll just say next, 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 and you'll get like a little what's called a wizard. Inside Mac you don't get a wizard, you need to go and drag this into your applications folder because it goes in as one complete file. What will happen next is it will copy it over like this, and you can see that when it expands itself, because it's compressed, it'll be 2.4 gigs. So on a MacBook Neo, for example, while they are pretty quick, they're not fast for all processors on your computer, and this could take a while. Okay. Next, if you use Command and Spacebar to do a search, or if you go to the Spotlight magnifying glass at the top, you can search for Minecraft, or you can go and into your applications folder, and you can see Minecraft Education, and you can double click it and open it. Once you've done that, you'll get this. It will say, do you want to open it? Now at this point you may not see this. The reason I see this is because I have changed my settings, which I'll come to in a second. Some of you will see this, some of you will not. If you've got family sharing on, you will definitely not see this. If it's your login and it's your machine and your parents allow you to use this, you can go and open it straight away, and I'll show you why I see this. This bit, once you've got it installed or it's ready to be installed, this bit here allows you to see other devices on the network. This means you can have multiplayer games. If you don't allow this and you don't allow Minecraft to see other devices on the network, you can't access shared games through your teacher's computer. Once you've got this window, you can put your password in, and then you're ready to go. If you don't see this, it's because you need to go into your settings and then go to privacy and security, and this setting here needs to be changed. If you're on family sharing, I don't think this can be changed, and your parents will need to change it, or whoever's got the password. To change it from this to this means that you can go and install things by yourself, but it's not just from the App Store, it's and known developers. And what that means is that this page here that I'm on for Minecraft download is a known developer page. That known developer page allows you to go and install it, and you'll get a notification to say, do you want to install this? And it will prompt you to come here. And just here, if you're trying to install something, you'll get an extra window that's right here. And it will say, are you sure you want to install it? You have to go through extra steps, and it will say yes. So you need to go and get that checked. Okay, if it's not there and it's not working, you need to go into privacy and security and then go to known developers and see this window here. Remember, if you're on family sharing, you still need to get your parents to do their passwords. All right, or they'll get a message on their phone to say okay. All right, good luck everybody.